Hey everyone, and welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. Today we are at the historical Benbow Inn in Northern California, and we are near the southern entrance to the Humboldt Redwood Forest. And this is a very historical hotel. I would highly recommend staying here over any place we saw today. Anywhere nearby here. Anyway, so we are going to try to do another video that shows the outside grounds and some of the facilities here tomorrow morning. So if this place is of any interest to you, then you can check out the other Benbow video we will have on our channel. So anyway, if you are going to be visiting the Redwoods in Northern California, this is your place. So we have gotten a king terrace room, and there's lots of different room types at this hotel, so be really sure of what you're getting and kind of research it pretty well. So this is a king terrace room, and here we go. Those are the robes and an extra blanket. In this particular unit, they have a separate toilet room with the shower and then another sink out here by the closet. This room does have some really neat antiques in it. The one thing I wish they did differently was have all white bedding with the actual comforter instead of this old-fashioned bedspread, but it's clean and it's in keeping with the era. They do offer complimentary breakfast in the dining room. And then here's the fun part. Now, we got here late at night, so forgive the lack of light out here, but we do have a terrace room. So we have this beautiful area out here with an outdoor patio seating for 4. So sorry, the outdoor light here is not working. And then it overlooks this garden and forest area with this beautiful bridge. And the whole hotel's kind of a Tudor look. And again, we will try to get kind of a daylight video for you of some of the grounds and venues here. So anyway, there you go. So this is the historical Benbow Inn on the south side of the Humboldt Redwood entrance to the national park or state park. And feel free to leave comments or questions.